Hi friends, you are welcome to my channel Kiku's Tag, and today we are going to unbox Flipkart Smart Wi Power Bank which has a capacity of 5000 mAh battery power. I purchased this power bank from Flipkart, so let's unbox it and please watch the video till the end. I'm going to give you my personal feedback at the end of the video. So hit the like button if you like the video and press the bell icon for more videos. I have already opened it for you, so let's check it what's inside it. So I'm just going to unbox it right now. So let's open it, and after open completely, let me tell you about the features of this power bank. So it has a sharp finish, as you can see. It is a purely sharp finish, and it has a logo of the Flipkart Smart Wi on the top of the on the bottom of the power bank, and there is some signature for the Flipkart Smart Wi. And here you can check out the model number and something like that. The camera quality is not so much good, but even you can check it out right now. The model number is displayed there, output and input there, and the battery output, how much weight, like that. So the first most one thing I want to tell you all guys, it's the power bank should be charged by the 2 ampere output charger, so it will work definitely good. This power bank has a completely plastic body, not metallic body, with a sharp finish and have a unique design with a simple logo and something like that. Or it has a round corners for the easy handling in the hand or something like that, if you will just add or just put the device easily. So now let's talk about something like that. So there's a 2 USB ports for the output and the 2 charging points for the input. It means you can charge the 2 devices or 2 phones at a time using these USB ports and the 2 charging points. You can charge this power bank using the standard charging point as well as on the C port chargers. I recommend you please charge this power bank using the C port charger, because it will be charged fastly and having the great and it will give you the great output. So here is the LED. Here is the 4 LEDs which will showing the backup of the charging, how much charging inside the power bank. So if the 1 blink, it means 30%, the 2 blink 50%, 3 it will 90%, and the 4 it will fully charged. There is the power key to on and off manually. If you will press one time, so it will be on. As you can see, the 4 LED lights is blinking, so it means it is fully charged right now. If you will the double press 2 times, so it will be the off right now. So this is the feature of the power bank, and the most one feature that I like this is the USB cable that we got, and it is really good quality USB cable, and you can use. There is only one. There is a 2 USB port, but the Flipkart Smart Wi only give the 1 USB cable. Please, if I just connect a device, this is again a Flipkart Smart Wi speaker. So if I connect it, so the magic, I don't need to be pressing on, and it will be automatically off when the device will be fully charged or something like that if you will disconnect it. So when I just disconnect it, after 30 seconds or maybe 45, up to 45 seconds, it will be, the lights automatically will be off. I will give you the 45 seconds for the taking 15 seconds more, it will be turned off automatically. So as you can see, automatically the power bank has on the put himself on sleep mode, so now it's off. As I connect again, it will automatically on. No need to be power on or power off, something like that. As you can see, I connect the device, the LEDs and the power bank automatically working. So this is our special feature that is inbuilt inside the Flipkart Smart Wi power banks. It has a capacity of 5000 and it can be charged up to 4 hours. It will take the charging backup, and it will give you the best charging backup because it has a sleep time put. So it automatically itself on the sleep mode if you are having the full charge device or something like that, so it will automatically go into the sleep mode. It is a great feature, no need to be waste the energy, something like that. It has 2 ports, you can charge it easily. And the most one thing I'm using this power bank last 3 or 4 days, and really I'm very happy with this. actually it is working very fastly or something like that, or it's easy to use even. No need to be just like earlier one, still you are charging or there is no backup. If you charge this one, it will take 4 hours to charge, or you can use up to 2 device can be charged fully. I just check it output. So I recommended it because I just buy this power bank in 499 rupees from the Flipkart. So perfectly, if you are going for a long travel or something long journey, so please buy this one. It's really good. I'm not recommending you will go through the other one, but it's very cheap and a great budgeted power bank as I can. It's a 10,000 power bank. Let me check the specifications. Sorry, it's a capacity of the 10,000 mAh, not the 5,000. It was the 10,000 mAh battery power bank.